Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make continuity tester and what can I do with this module. So let's get started. So first of all, let's see what can we do with this module. This is continuity tester. Checking the continuity of wire. So wire checking completed. Now I'll check LED. LED is okay. Now we can check the polarity of LED. Let's see, this is the red probe, this is the negative probe. Red probe should be the positive of LED and black probe should be the negative of LED. If I reverse this, then no beeping, no continuity. So this polarity is wrong. This polarity is correct. So we can check the polarity. Now we will check the capacitor. When capacitor charge full, this beep buzzer will go down. You can see buzzer is off. Again discharge it, then check. Buzzer is off. So this capacity is also okay. Now I'll check the PNP and NPN transistor. So by this module you can check also which one PNP and which one NPN transistor. First we have to understand some phenomena. NPN transistor is the base collector emitter. The current flow through the base to emitter and collector to emitter. So when if my positive probe should be the base and negative probe, I mean black probe, this should be in the negative emitter point. So base should be fixed and this the black probe will vary. It will give the continuity. In this way you can understand that this is NPN transistor. I mean red probe should be fixed and black probe should vary. So let's do this. D882. This is NPN transistor. We can check, we have to find out the base. So what I said, base, this is the red probe should be fixed. This fixed, I vary this, no beeping. So I check this, another one is the base fixed. Yes, continuity, yes, like this, a red probe in the base and collector emitter. So here I did the same thing. So this is the NPN transistor I have already found. Now how can we find the PNP transistor? Here I said the red probe should be fixed. Here is the reverse. Here negative probe should be fixed and red probe should be vary. Emitter collector, it will give continue. Then in this way you can understand that this is the PNP transistor. So here I have got BD140. So let's check this. So here is the black probe should be fixed. No beeping, no beeping. So I have to change the pin. Yes, one beep. Yes, yes. Two beep we have got like this. Here's the base, emitter, collector. So I've got. So this is PNP transistor. In this way you can find out which one PNP and NPN transistor. Let's do now we'll check the MOSFET. This is IRF Z44 and MOSFET. We can check that this MOSFET is okay or not. How can we find? How can we understand? First of all, we have to see the symbol of MOSFET. You can see here is the source, here is the drain. The source and drain, there is a diode symbol. So in the source, we have to touch the red probe, and here is the drain. Then there should be touch the black probe. Here will give a continuity. This is the gate. This is drain and source. This is the source red probe, and this is the drain. You can see. Yes. If we do the reverse, no beep. So our MOSFET is okay. But for this is N channel MOSFET. For P channel MOSFET, this will give continue, this will not give continue. I mean reverse. P channel and channel MOSFET is reverse. Again we see this is the source. Again source, I have to touch this probe here, and negative plus should be here. Source drain, here we will give a continuity. This is giving continuity. Yes. So our MOSFET is okay. So viewers, in this way you can do many things with this tester, with this module. So let's try to make out this sketch. I have used BC547 transistor. This is the BC547 transistor. Middle pin is base. My right one is emitter, and this one left one is collector. In the collector, we have used LED, and in series here is a resistance. So like this. This should be like this, and a buzzer is parallel with this. This is the buzzer. It should be parallel with this. And 1K resistor in the base of transistor. This is the base. 1K transistor. This is the black probe with the black probe. I mean this black probe with this. And with the emitter, battery terminal negative connects here, and the positive with the LED and collector point, and red probe also with the positive terminal of the battery. So this is all about the sketch. Hopefully this video brings you something. If so, please like it, share it. Thank you.